So I'm with Scott Kaminsky at Hafele, and many times in our home we think about the cabinets, the furniture, and we think about the exterior, not the interior, but Hafele has some great products that they bring excitement to the furniture and to your home. So Scott, talk with us about all the things that can be done to make your furniture in your home more exciting.
Sure. So this is actually part of the micro living display that we're showcasing here at KBIS 2020. And as you can see, we've got lots of opportunities for movement and to be able to bring functionality to really, really small and kind of very tiny footprint spaces. So we have got all sorts of different areas for storage, hidden storage again in the blind.
I love this. Look at how you can utilize a corner and pull out product. Okay, so it's not just the hardware, it is the lighting. And look at this, this is so cool. Let's look at some other pieces you have. So you told me you have some interesting new products for the closet.
Yes. So first, let me actually make sure we get the closet all lit up. So this is all our Lux 5 generation of lighting.
Just so I understand, a designer, as they're designing a custom closet, can come into Hafele's website, learn about their products, and integrate a lot of the products you have here.
Yes. So yeah, I mean, we have catalogs which have essentially pictures of essentially the display that we're looking at right now, or things that are similar. So you can certainly learn a lot about the functionality, the sizes, the styles, the finishes.
Love it.
Because closets are certainly all about finishes and making sure that it matches kind of people's aesthetic and what they're looking for.
Okay, so many people have Roombas. What I think is really cool is this system that you have.
Yes, so this is new for KBIS 2020. This is our Sweep Evac. And the great thing about this is this actually hides in a toe kick. It's got a reusable bag, and all you need to do is sweep everything right up to it, and let's see if and it sucks it up. So pantry units, this one is very, very cool because we can just tap a button and have that come out to us.
Well, you have certainly opened my eyes to all the things that go on inside the furniture, inside our kitchen cabinets, and ways to organize. And thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you so much for having us.
We are at Hafele.